I like here already. I want to move here already. We're here in Perth! I kept saying Melbourne. Got a car! Whee! Okay, gonna get some brekkie. Oh, weather's so good. I like here already. I want to move here already. I was thinking about moving out of my house. But maybe we should just move to Australia.
Always aiming higher while I'm way too slow.
Wow, 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 wow. It's only the first beach. This place is so pretty. What happened? Some of the snacks here. Oh, they have this pickle, which I don't think I'll like, but let's get some stuff. Snackies. Oh my gosh, my heart. Little candies here. Outfit check. I bought takis. It's so pretty. We eat some lobsters. Wow. My God, this place is so beautiful. Gonna get some lobster. I'm getting a little bit hungry by not doing anything. Yeah. We already drove 3.5 hours and then we're at this place called Lobster Shack. It's like there's only one food place here. There's the menu.
Because we kind of put two different ones.
Then we got the small lobster, oyster, and I don't know, I kind of want the lobster roll, but it's alright. Super hungry though. Can get some beer. We freaking finally finished this. Oh my god, I hope my lips will not get too swollen. Just avoiding the seagulls. I'll be good, I'll be good. I'm gonna go get some water here. Oh. Got everything. There we go. Off we go to Geraldton. We're gonna drive for the 2.5 hours to Geraldton. That's so pretty. Guys, look at the sunset. I'm falling in love with this place. It's just so peaceful, and this is what I needed. Like, wow, this might be one of the most healing trips, and it's just day one. It looks so beautiful. Look at the sunset. Magnificent. And then we're at this automat. We're gonna buy some wine tonight. But we don't know what to eat tonight. This is our first day room tour. Got it from bookings.com. And so cute. They have little treats here. It's like a little homestay. It's bathtub. It's a very small area, but looks cozy. Good morning, everyone. It's our second day in Australia. And this is like not Perth anymore, it's like Western Australia, so we're gonna go out, and weather looks really good. We're gonna go for a little walk around this small town. Let's go for a walk. Hello! I'm gonna put this on. These are from Australia also. Ultraviolet. And we have the SPF reapplications mist and also the ultralight sunscreen. This is in liquid form. Looks like that. And then this is a mist. Oh, put the body. Then I'll reapply this. Super nice. Wow, this is actually really comfortable. Do you want to buy it? Morning! We're at a bakery. Don't know where this, like, there's no like Google reviews about anything, but this place really stuck in like 2008 and it's so cool. I love it. Oh, pretty good coffee. Having coffee here. Gonna go for a swim just now at that location, so I'm excited. Blue holes. Oh, this small town vibe though. Oh, look at that. So pretty. The water is so clear. Look at that. Protect your arms from the UV rays. We're stopping by at Billabong. This is like a little pit stop area, and we're gonna grab lunch or something. But wow, this place looks like Texas or something. It's crazy. Oh my god. We just came to freaking 2008. try kangaroo first.
Okay.
Tastes like the char siu. Tastes like char siu. We're going to Carnival! Freaking turkeys, guys. Wow. First turkey, eh? I'm a bit scared. I think I don't go down lah. Got this. Stopping by this place. It's like out of nowhere, but it looks so beautiful here. Kalbarri.
Yeah.
Smash.
If you do love me, you should let me go. I am all the rush you've been waiting for, and you said at least this is what you want. If you do love me,
So this is our Airbnb. Looks super good. I think it's like just 200 per night, and then we have like this little bed here just to stargaze. We're at Social Society, and then I think we're gonna get some coffee. It looks really nice here. It's so quiet and peaceful. Let's get like a iced matcha, iced latte. I think it's cool. We're at the grocery store. I'm gonna get some stuff for hiking, and really excited to go hiking. Now we just need water because the Airbnb doesn't have water. Ooh, so pretty. And then we're gonna snorkel. But this is like mom and sister snorkeling, so I'm a little bit scared. This is beautiful. It's like a postcard.
So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down. And you keep on thinking you can save yourself, but that's love, that's just love. You should know some things will hurt, and you'll end up getting burned. I just hope that you will learn. That's just love, that's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to move on, deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
And grab fish and chips. Right. Oh my god. Sun is setting and it looks so pretty. Aioli sauce and some tomato sauce. Fish and chips.
how it is when it comes to
Treasure. I wanted to take you guys. This is the view outside. Oh my god. Can I just leave here?
you will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to move on, deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
Last night here, and we're gonna stay in because your girl is tired. We just had a pretty good dinner, and then now we're just gonna sleep because tomorrow we're gonna go back to Kalbarri. And here at Exmouth, I think Turquoise Bay is something that you should definitely check out. It was so pretty. The snorkeling was amazing, and probably the clearest water I've seen also. Yeah, and also we went to the Cape National Park, but the trail was so difficult. Like, I quit halfway. I was like, nah, it's not for me. And we don't even have hiking shoes, so bye bye.
I'm famished because everything closes at 8 PM. Last night we were freaking hungry. I don't want anything to eat.
The beach. Ooh. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Wow. Wow, this is super duper comforting because I'm sitting on the sand and then I'm in the sea. Ah. Is so fun. Healing my inner child. I didn't see as much as yesterday, but it's still pretty good. Ice cream ever. You know they have chocolate version and the mini bites one. We are going back to Kalbarri.